against Edinson Volquez.
Nothing not to like about Volquez so far. One earlier trip out of the bullpen before the 2 starts, and he has been outstanding. But with this offense not scoring many runs, he comes in with a record of no wins and no losses. But he's been doing very, very nice work.
261 against his fastball. And a bouncer toward third, and an easy play for Alvarez. First pitch swinging, but it's a ground ball to short. And Mercer on to first, and Volquez gives up the 1-out single. But that's it. Popped it up. Martin makes the catch.
Set him down 1, 2, 3.
To left.
And he's going to.
Marte. That's some nice glove work behind him. Edinson Volquez. Wow, the fans love it.
Chased upstairs.
Volquez strikes out Braun.
So it's smooth. Take your time. Do what you do. Have confidence in the fact that you have time and that your pitcher can throw a pitch like that, too.
Strikes out Mark Reynolds. Squares, and he bunts it foul.
Thank you very much.
Strikeout. The third for Volquez. A fly ball to center field. Back toward right center. And Snyder. Meanwhile, that's probably it. Well, that is it for Volquez. How about it? 7 innings, 2 runs allowed by Edinson Volquez.
Keeps on going for the new right-hander.